Introducing all-in-one documentation. EazyDocs, a WordPress plugin. Design any type of documentation website in WordPress. After installing and activating EazyDocs, you will be guided through a setup wizard. This interface allows you to easily configure your first documentation project. With a variety of features, you can create a new document, add sections, and organize content by adding subsections under parent sections. You can also view notifications from the notification icon, where you can check comments and votes. You can easily organize and sort your documentation with drag and drop feature. Here, you can easily generate a complete one-page documentation with a single click. And your documentation will be created with a range of qualityful features, including simplified navigation, parent doc link, contributors, feedback button, subscribe button, add docs button, edit doc, documentation sharing, conditional dropdown, font size adjustment, dark mode switcher, footnotes, and many more. You can build your documentation landing page using pre-designed Elementor presets and easily customize it after importing to suit your needs. It's not just that. Even you can build your documentation landing page using pre-designed Gutenberg blocks and easily customize it from Gutenberg Editor. You can manage document collaboration with contributors and leverage data analytics to optimize your documentation for audiences to ensure their needs. EazyDocs provides you with an AI-powered knowledge-based chatbot, enabling instant answers for your users and improving self-service support. You can directly collect feedback and send messages through the contact form. This allows you to stay connected with your audience and improve your services based on real user input. EazyDocs is fully compatible with all major SEO plugins on WordPress. There are many extraordinary features available in EazyDocs. Explore these features and unlock the full potential of your documentation.